I'm James Morrow from Nerdio, and I work with MSPs across APAC, helping them develop and grow their managed services with native Microsoft technologies. Nerdio Manager for MSP is a multi-tenant platform that enables MSPs to seamlessly manage their customers' Microsoft technologies, from Azure infrastructure all the way through to M365 in a single pane of glass. You may know Nerdio as a leader in the Azure and Azure Virtual Desktop space. We still are, but now we've brought our industry-leading platform, automations and workflows to enhance your organization's management of the Microsoft modern work stack. If I had to describe Nerdio in 3 words, I'd say Microsoft made easy. Standardization, automation and optimization are our bread and butter and the key to MSPs being able to increase their project services and managed service margins around Microsoft. By creating standardized tenant configurations for M365, MSPs can take their modern work migration projects that would take days to weeks natively and roll them out in minutes. And it's the same for Azure Virtual Desktop. Nerdio's deployment wizard can build you the Azure infrastructure your customer needs in under 90 minutes, and then automate a number of the day-to-day managed service tasks that would usually fall to a level 3-4 Azure expert, freeing up their time to focus on delivering your business more projects. There are many ways Nerdio can help you reduce risk, both within your own MSP business and also your customers. By creating standardized baselines across the customer's M365 tenant, you can have confidence that you have the appropriate control and security of the managed service you're delivering around the Microsoft stack. Being able to properly implement those technologies, like Intune and Defender, as well as manage and monitor the compliance of your customers' endpoints, means you're reducing the attack vectors for bad actors to wreak havoc on your customers. We see success stories every day with MSPs that are leveraging our Nerdio platform. I've worked with many recently that have been able to utilize our automations and optimizations, as well as the knowledge from our expert team, to save their customers more than 60 to 70% of the current Azure bill. The one key success story that springs to mind is an MSP that we work closely with that was able to more than double the margin they were making on their managed service, by reducing unneeded and unused tools that they had been paying for. For more information, visit getnerdio.com or reach out to your trusted Pax8 account manager and they'll be able to put you in touch with our team. And of course, you can always find us in the Pax8 marketplace.